Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Let's come for the class. Let's start the next class of coded inequalities. In today's class, we are going to cover the banking level coded inequalities. Last two classes, we have done the basic part. But in today's class, we will primarily focus on banking. And in the next class, hopefully, we are going to wind up this topic. 4 classes that is required for this topic. So we are about to start the third class. And hopefully in the next class, we are going to wind up this topic. Okay, let's start the class with the one problem. Let's start the class with one problem. And this problem has been asked in your pre-examinations. Banking pre-examinations, you must find these sort of questions in the exam. And here just see what is the format of the problem. All these questions we are going to deal today in the class. Okay. What's the answer of this one? I want response from each one of you. Here they are saying, which of the following symbols should be placed in the blank space respectively in the same order from left to right in order to complete the given expressions in such a manner that both n should be greater than equal to q and q is less than equal to m. Definitely holds true. Here what the question says, which of the following symbols should be placed in the blank space respectively in the same order from left to right, means order should be the same. This should come over here, this should come over here, this should come over here, this should come over here. Second one, this should be come over here. Means out of these 4 options, which option should I place in the blank such that n should be greater than equal to q and q should be less than equal to m? Should be definitely true. How to go for this one? Anyone who can tell me the answer for this one? Anyone who can tell me the answer for this one? These two has to be definitely correct. So which option should I put so that these two must be definitely correct? This is the question. Option number D. Abhishek is saying option number D is the answer. Okay, Abhishek. Let's see whether the answer is correct or not. Now, how to start this sort of questions in the exam? How to start? See, just see which two conditions should be definitely correct. Should be n and q should have this symbol in between them, and q and m should have smaller than equal to symbol in between them. So my logic says that out of these two, always start with that one. Out of these two, always start with that one which will have equal to sign in between them. Okay, out of these two, any one which will have equal to sign in between them. From there you should start the problem. Why from equal to? Because we all know we will consider equal to if all the symbols in between them will have equal to. If any of at one of the one place, if equal to is not there, we are not supposed to take equal to. Clear? For example, suppose if I say they have given like this, A, B, C, D, and this is greater, this is greater, this is greater. Now if this has to be correct, then all the 3 symbols must have equal to. If equal to is missing anywhere, suppose equal to is not there. They have given like this. So here equal to will not come. All the equal to must be in all the symbols in between them. Now let's start. How to start? See, here in both of them equal to is there. Now let's start with n and q. N and q will have only 2 blanks. But if I just see q and m will have 3 blanks in between them. So let's start with this one. You can start with this one also. But my job is to eliminate the options. So what I will say, since q and m will have 3 blanks between them. So all the first, second, third must have equal to. And all the faces must be towards q. The faces must be towards q and all of them must have equal to. Just see the option. Here equal to is missing, first cannot be the answer. Here equal to is missing, can't be the answer. Faces towards m. But I'm simply checking equal to. Faces towards m. Here in this one, face is towards m, so it should be m. Okay, leave it. Now here just see both the symbols has come, both the faces has come, this can't be. Here just see equal to, and yes, all the faces are towards m. This can be the answer. This can be. Let's confirm from the second one. N and q must have Equal to, second and third must have equal to and faces must be towards n. Yes, second and third has equal to and faces towards m. The answer is D. Clear? Whatever conditions they have given, always start with that condition which will have equal to sign in between them. Because for equal to there is one compulsion, all the symbols must have equal to. If any one of the place, if I am not getting equal to must, that can be the answer. Clear? Go for the next one. Okay, tell me the answer for this one. Now, which of the following symbols should be placed in the blank space respectively in the same order from left to right in order to complete the given expression in such a manner that this B should be greater than S as well as E should be less than equal to S? Definitely holds true. So, these two must has to be correct. My dear, what is going to be happening in 2023 is hard to predict now. But hopefully things will remain same. Or if they will make some changes, changes won't be very drastic, don't worry. I hope it will remain the same, or if changes is going to be done, changes won't be very drastic, so nothing to worry about. Clear? Okay. Now here these two has to be definitely correct. Now my job is to ensure that these two must have definitely correct. Now from these two, from where should I start? I will start with the expression having equal to sign in between them. So I won't start with this, I will start with the second one. I am going to start with the second one. The condition says E and F must have equal to. So E and F must have equal to means what? First, second, third, fourth and fifth must have equal to sign in between them. Fourth and fifth must have equal to sign in between them, and faces must be towards F. Faces must be towards F. Let's see, fourth and fifth. First, second, third, fourth, fifth equal to is missing, can't be the answer. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Both the faces has come, can't be the answer. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Equal to is missing, and moreover both the faces have come, this can't be the answer. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes, equal to is there, fifth and fourth and fifth, and faces is towards F. Absolutely okay, no problem. This can be the answer. Let's go for the first one, B and S. Means first two must have sign like this, and equal to should not be in both of them. Just see, equal to is there, equal to is not there, correct, and faces is towards B. So answer is what? D. Clear? Yes, D is the answer. Okay. My dear, in reasoning, most important topics I am going to cover over here only, Grade B platform only. Nothing to worry about. I will try to resolve the toughest topic in the most easiest way. The most toughest topic, if I talk about, is puzzle and sitting arrangement. Pre-part will be okay. We have to work more on men's level puzzles, because men's level will have a certain number of persons. They will ask how to deal with that sort of questions. I will cover in the class. Nothing to worry about. Clear? Okay. Let's go with the next one. Same type of problem once again, because these sort of questions will come in your pre-examination. Now here what they are saying, which of the following symbols should be placed in the blank spaces respectively in the same order from left to right in order to complete the given expression in such a manner that this first part and second part must be definitely holds true. Now here also we have got equal to, here also we have got equal to, so you can start with any one of them. Choice is yours. Now let's see H and F. H and F will have two blanks between them, G and F. G and F will have one blank between them. So let's start with the first one, H and F. So my first condition is what? First two must have equal to, and faces must be towards H. Faces must be towards H. Just see, equal to is missing, can't be the answer. Equal to missing, both the places, can't be the answer. Yes, this can be the answer. Here this can be the answer. Clear? C and D can be the answer. Go for the next one. G and F. G and F means what? This symbol has to be this only, because only one place space is there. So this has to be this only. sorry, faces has to be towards Z, sorry. Faces should be towards F. So it should be like this. Now just see, here it is just reverse of this, can't be the answer. Here this is the same, so D is the answer. No, no, don't worry, don't worry. Since you have got since 77% in graduation, so no, nothing to worry about. In all the cases, you will be eligible. Nothing to worry about. Just relax. Chill. Definitely false. Definitely false. I'm going to cover hopefully in the tomorrow's class. Definitely false is will be the same. Concept will be the same. Don't worry. Concept will be the same. Definitely means what? 100% that has to be correct. So that has to be false. So that part I'm going to cover in tomorrow's class. Don't worry. Okay, let's go for the next one. Which of the following symbols should be placed in the blank space, respectively in the same order from left to right, in order to complete the given expression in such a manner that both this and this should be definitely correct. So from where should I start? Sir, in the first one, equal to is not there. So I can't start from there. See, if you want, you can. But in the exam, I will suggest you should always start with the expression having equal to in between them. So I will start with S and J. S and J. So last three must have equal to. Last three must have equal to. And faces must be towards S. Faces must be towards S. Just see. Here equal to is missing, can't be the answer. Equal to can be the answer. Equal to is not there, or moreover they have got both the faces, wrong. Equal to can be. Equal to is not there, can't be. The answer will be either B or D. Answer will be either B or D. Next one, M and F should not have equal to. M and F should not have equal to means what? In first three, equal to can't be possible at all the three places. Equal to can't be possible at all the three places. And moreover, faces should be towards M. Face should be towards M. Just see. In the second one, equal to, everywhere I am getting equal to. So if equal to is coming at first, second, third, means very obvious in the conclusion it must be equal to. But here they are not asking for equal to, so this can't be the answer. Just see, equal to is not there means answer should be D. Answer should be D. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Understood? Anyone, any problem? So these sort of questions may ask in your pre-examinations or in your banking examinations. Okay, let's change the type. Now let's see what sort of question is going to come in your bank examination. See, here also they will give uncombined statement, but the format of the statement is going to be changed. Before that, let's start with this one. Already we have seen this concept. Last class already we have seen, and last class 36 we have done, so starting with 37. Last class what we have understood, if both the conclusion has got the same variable, and if both the conclusion will have the same variable, then always you start with either or case. The possibility of answer being either or is on the higher side. So let's start with the case of either or. Now, here what I can say, between C and A, first is saying equal to is going to come, second is saying face is towards C. Only two faces are coming. First will be towards C and second will be equal to. So whenever two faces are going to come, let's combine this together. So if I am going to combine, what I can say, either the face will be towards C or it will be equal to. Clear? I hope you must have seen my last class, my dear. Last class, entire 1 hour, we have spent on either or case. Clear? And either or 100% is going to come in your examination. Now just see, if this is going to be correct from the above statement, my answer will be either or. If this is not correct, either or cannot be my answer. Simple logic. Now let's start with C and A. So out of C and A, what I can say, only one face is towards C. The face should be towards C, and both have got equal to, the equal to must be there. Means this is correct, means what? This cannot be possible, this cannot be possible. Answer will be either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Let's have a say. For the same statement, again they have given conclusion like this. Now very obvious here, equal to is not there. Only two faces they have given. And out of the two faces, equal to is not there. And the prime condition for equal to, either or is what? Out of the two faces, one must be equal to. That we have learned in the last class. Okay. So here there is no point to check for either or. Simply find the relation between C and A. C and A is what? Face should be towards C or can be equal to. Here they are saying face is towards A. Can't be. Here they are saying face towards C, but equal to is missing, wrong. The answer is neither 1 or 2. Neither 1 or 2. Clear? Let's give me the answer for this one. See, what I can see for the conclusion is both the variables are same. PS, PS are same. So if PS, PS are the same, then I should go for either or. So let's combine P and S. First is saying face should be towards S. Second is saying equal to. Third is saying face should be towards P. First is saying face should be towards S. Second is saying equal to. Third is saying face is towards P. Means what? Here all the three symbols have come. All the three symbols has come. So if between any two variable, if all the three symbols has come, in that case either or can be the answer only if P and S will have no relation between them. If P and S doesn't have any relation between them, in that case my answer has to be either or. Let's check from the statement P and S. Just see both the faces has come. Both the faces has come means what? No relation. And no relation means this is correct. The answer should be what? Either or. Answer should be either 1 or 2. Same is over here, only two symbols. So Q and S, let's combine. Face is towards Q, or it can be equal to. Just see. Here equal to won't be possible. Between Q and S, what I can say is face should be towards, between Q and S. What I can say is face is towards S, but equal to can't be over there. Means this possibility is over. This can't be the answer. Now just see whether this they have given in the option or not. Just see whether this part they have given in the option or not. Face is towards S. Here the face is towards Q. Not possible. Equal to, not possible. The answer should be neither 1 nor 2. I hope now you must have understood the concept of either or. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Anyone, any problem? Easy one. Sometimes you will get question like this also in the exam. Here what they are saying. In which of the following expression will the expression H and J, face should be towards J, be definitely true? You have to find out of these 4 options, 5 options, in which option this should be definitely true. Means H and J, face should be towards J. Let's say H and J. Yes, face is towards J, but here the face is towards H. Cannot be the answer. H and J. Here all face is towards H. Face is towards H. Can't be the answer. H and J. Here, yes, I can say face is towards J, and equal to is not there, but equal to is not going to come. Third is correct. Face should be towards J and equal to should not be over there. Clear? Go for this one. In which of the following expression will be true if the expression this is definitely true? Now here the reverse part of this is given. You have to check out of these four which can be correct. First one, n and k. N and k. What I can say? All the faces is towards k. Absolutely okay. Equal to is not there, so equal to should not be over there. This is wrong. This is wrong. Second, k equal to m. See, equal to is not possible because we check equal to if and only if they will have some relation between them. Means whenever any face is going to generate, then only you should go for equal to. So moreover, equal to is not possible. Leave it. Next one, k and n. So k and n, what we have seen, face should be towards k. Here the face is towards n. Can't be. Last one, l and n. So L and what I can say, face is towards L, absolutely okay, but equal to is not there, so equal to should not be over there. This is also wrong, so answer should be E. The answer should be E. Clear, clear, clear. Anyone, any problem? Clear? Okay, let's go for banking level questions. There was something like this is going to come in the banking. See, here they have given two uncombined statements, but the statements are of lengthy type. Here they have given two statements, uncombined statement they are given. First one, this is the statement. Second one, this is the statement, and both are uncombined. Comma has come in between them. So how to go for the answer for these sort of questions? See, my dear, whenever this bigger type of statement is going to come, some lengthy statement is going to come, two typical statements they have given. So every time, is it required to combine the statement? No, my dear, no. Every time you are not supposed to combine the statement. That will depend on the problem, where should I combine and where shouldn't I combine. That will depend upon the statement. I repeat, whenever they will give this typical sort of a statement, two big lengthy statement they have given, and now my job is to combine these two. See, whenever the statement would be something like this, then always you should not combine. That will depend upon the problem, where should I combine and where should I don't combine. So how to find out where to combine and where we are not supposed to combine? Simple logic. It says, see, whenever they will give two statements must have one variable as common. Two statements must have one variable as common, because if common is not there, I can't combine these two together. Please try to understand. Suppose let's say A and B. They don't know each other. A doesn't know B and B doesn't know A. Now, in what sort of cases the relation between A and B can be possible? Under what condition relation is possible? So a third person is going to come. In between A and B, a third person is going to come who knows A as well as who knows B. Means what? This C is going to combine these two together. Means whenever we have to combine any two statement, the two statement must have one variable as common. Because if one variable is not there, common variable is not there, I can't combine the statements. I can't combine the statements. Clear? So here in this one, what I can see. Now please understand when to combine and when you should not combine. Now here the first one, second, what is common? Here the common is D. In first and second, the common is D. Now, if the common variable comes at either at the beginning or at the last place, or in simple way, if the common variable comes at the extreme end or extreme beginning, or at the corner, you can say corners, then in that case you should always combine. But if the common variable comes in between the statement, in that case you are not supposed to combine. Simple logic says, if the common variable is what? D. If the common variable comes at the last place or at the beginning, corners, in that case you should combine. If any one of these common variable comes in between the statement, you should not combine. Don't waste your time in combining that statement, because that will be a tedious job in the exam. Is I am clear? Is I am clear? As in this one, what I can say, this common variable is at the corner. This common variable is at the corner. Since both of them comes at the corner, let's combine, no issues. How to combine? Let's write the first one. A adjacent will be B, face is towards A. B and C, face will be equal, and then comes D. Now let's combine. D adjacent will be what? H, face will be equal. H will be what? G, face is towards H. And then G adjacent will be what? V, face is towards V. Don't see smaller than, greater than. Always you need to see the face of the variable. So now this is my combined statement. I got my combined statement, and thereafter what to do you know very well. How to check the relation we know very well. So here in the first one, they are saying between C and D. Between C and D. Between C and D, yes, this symbol exists, so this is absolutely correct. First is correct. Second one, between A and H. A and H. All the faces are towards A. All the faces are towards A. Equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to is not there, so equal to should not come. Second is also correct. Clear? Next one, B and G. B and G. What I can say? B and G. See, faces is towards B, faces is towards B. So face must be towards B. All the faces are towards B, so in the conclusion, the face should be towards B. Now since face has come, so let's go for equal to. Equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to must be there. So answer this also correct. This is also correct. Last one, C and V. C and V. Now in between C and B, what I can see, just see both the faces has come. Both the faces has come. This is facing towards C. This is facing towards V. Both the faces has come. No relation is possible. If the both faces has come, no relation is possible, means this is absolutely wrong. So answer should be first, second, third is correct. And this will be given in your option. That only first, second, third statement is correct. Understood everyone? Okay. Let's go with the next one. Is the easy one, leave it. Okay, let's combine. Let's combine. Now the first job is whether I should combine it or not. First observation in the exam is whether I should combine this or not. The only logic says if the common variable in the first and second statement, whatever variable is common, if that variable comes at the corner, then you should combine. If they are come in the middle of the statement, you should not combine. If they are coming in the middle, how to solve the answer, that we will discuss after some time. Now here what I can say, first and second as common variable as Q, and both has come at the extreme end. So now we have to combine. Let's combine. So while combining, let's write the first one. M, face is towards N, then L, and then Q. Q next will be what? T, face is towards T. Then comes R, face is towards R. Clear? I have combined these two statements. Thereafter, how to get the answer, we know it very well. First one, R and L. R and L. Both the faces has come. No relation is possible. First is wrong. Second, T and N. T and N. Again, in between T and N, both the faces has come. No relation is possible. Third one, L and M. L and M, what I can say? Face is towards L and equal to is not there, so equal to should not be there. So face should be towards L and equal to should not be there. Fourth one, R and M. R and M. Between R and M, very obvious, both the faces has come. No relation is possible. Wrong. So answer is only third. Clear? Only third is correct. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Let's combine. Easy one. First and second. What is common? M is common, and M is at the extreme point, so let's combine. So write M, comes P, then comes H. Adjacent to M will be T, and adjacent to T will be V. Done. First one, V and P. V and P, what I can say, all the faces are towards V, equal to is not there, first is correct. All the faces are towards V and equal to is not there. Next one, T and H. T and H. Between T and H, both the symbols has come. Both the faces has come. No relation is possible. The answer will be second is wrong. Clear? Anyone, any problem? Dear, at least respond in the class. Dear, at least respond. Let's do it. Easy one. See, here in the class we are starting from the basic and we are going to the advanced level. This is the basic type of bank examination. In clerk, this sort of question is going to come when common variable is going to come at the extreme corner. Second is wrong. Yes, second is wrong. Go for this one. Let's combine. What is common? N. N comes at the corner place, so let's combine. E followed by G followed by H followed by N. N will be have M. M will be have F. Faces towards F. F will have C. Faces towards C. Clear? First one, F and E. F and E. So what I can say about F and E, just see both the faces has come, no relation, first is wrong. First is wrong. Second one, E and M. E and M. All the faces, only one face is towards E. Face should be towards E, absolutely okay. Equal to is there, equal to should be there, correct. Next one, C and G. C and G. Here I will say both the faces has come. Just see both the faces has come. No relation, wrong. Last one, C and H. C and H. See, all the faces are towards C. So C and H face must be towards C. Equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to is there, equal to is not there, equal to should not be over there. The answer should be fourth is correct. The answer is only second and fourth is correct. Yes, Abhishek, second and fourth is correct. Absolutely okay. Understood, dear? Now, how to combine this one? How to combine this one? See, if I just see, here they have given three statements. First, second and third. Now if I just see first and second, what is common? R. R is at the corner. R is at the corner means I can combine these two. I can combine these two. Clear? Now let's compare second with third. What I can say, what is common? S is common and S is at the corner. S is at the corner. Yes, I can combine these two also. Means all can be combined very easily. So let's combine now. Let's combine. So simply write the first one. First says R, T, Q, M. Adjacent to R is what? S. Now S will have what? L. And L will have what? Z. Face is towards L. Always you need to see the face. Always you need to see the face. Clear? Firstly I have written this one R, T, Q, M, R, T, Q, M. Then R adjacent will be S. So I have written S, face is towards S. Then S will have L, L will have Z. Here the face is towards L. So I have combined these statements together. second, third, fourth. Okay. Let's start. Z and R. Both the faces has come, first is wrong. S and Q. Both the faces is towards L and equal to must be there. Equal to must be there. First face must be towards S and equal to. Absolutely okay. M and T. M and T. Face is towards M and equal to should not be there. L and Q. L and Q. Face is towards what? L and equal to is everywhere. So fourth is correct. Fourth is correct. Clear? Okay. Okay, how to go for this one? You get the answer for this one. I will back in just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I will back in just 1 minute. Okay, what's the answer for this one? Only first and second. First and second. Okay. Now let's start with this one. See here, I can see they have given two statements. First is this one, second is this one. What is common? L. L comes at the corner, no issues, but here L comes at the middle. Now there is a problem. Now there is a severe problem. We are not supposed to now combine these two. Because if you combine, the probability of getting wrong answer is very, very high. Then how to get the answer? See, in the first one, they are asking the relation between P and S. Just see, both P and S has come in the first statement only. Then what's the point of combining these two? Whenever that is required, then I will combine. If that is not required, I will won't combine, because L has come in the middle. If L has come at the corner, then you must have combined, no issues at all. But if out of these two, if out of these two common variable, if any one variable comes in the middle, then you are not supposed to combine. Please don't combine, because that will be a hassle job in the exam. Now, for the first one, there is no need to combine. So what I can say, face is towards P and equal to is there, so equal to must be there. Face is towards P, equal to is there, first is correct. Second one, I and R. Again, I and R comes in the first statement only. I and R comes in the first statement only. Again, no need to combine. Let's get the answer. Face is towards what? I, and equal to is not there, so equal to should not be there. Face is towards I, equal to is not there, second is correct. Clear? Now let's see the third one. Here they are asking for P and Q. Here they are asking for P and Q. Just be careful now. Here they are asking for P and Q. Just see, P comes in the first statement, Q comes in the second statement. Now we need to combine. But I'm not supposed to combine all of them. Now see, what is the common variable? Common variable is H. So what I supposed to do? Let's write P to L and then L to Q. This is the way. If any one of them comes in the middle, then don't combine the complete statement. Clear? If required, then combine up to the common variable only. So what I will say, I need the relation between P and Q. P knows L and Q knows L, so write P to L. So I will write L, I and P. And then adjacent to L will be what? Q. Face is towards L. Face is towards L. Now let's see the relation between P and Q. It says face should be towards P and equal to should not be there. Face should be towards P and equal to should not be there. Here face is given towards Q, so this is wrong. Understood? Fourth one, what they are saying? S and Q. Fourth one, they are saying S and Q. So S is over here, Q is over here. What is common? L. So write S to L and then L to Q. So I will write like this: S, L, and then L and Q. Both the faces has come. Answer should be wrong. The answer is only first and second is correct. Now my simple logic is, if the common variable in both the statements comes at the corner, then I will combine them. But if they comes in the middle in any one of them, I won't combine here. I won't combine. Then take as much as that is required. Clear? Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, two statements they have given. In the first one, GREATS, and second one, DAJ. DAJ. Now here in first and second, which is common? So I can say A is common. And just see, A comes in the middle of both of them. Please don't combine. Please don't combine. Take only those which is required to get the answer. Now in the first one, they are talking about T and D. T is over here, D is over here. So I will write T to A and A to D. So I will write T to A like this and A to D. So A adjacent will be D and face is towards A. So what I can say, all the faces are towards T and equal to must be there. Yes, face towards T and equal to there. First is correct. Wakar, Muhammad Wakar Sheikh. Wakar, I think you are my old student, right? If I am not wrong. I think you must be my old student. Wakar, is I am correct? Are you my old student, dear? Next one, R and S. So I will write R to A and R and S. No need to combine. Both of them comes in the first statement only. Both of them comes in the first statement only, R and S. So here both the faces has come. Both the faces has come. No need to combine. So both the faces has come means what? No relation. No relation is possible. The second is wrong. Clear? Yes, only one is correct. Okay, small statements they have given. Small statements they have given. So I need to combine all of them. Because no big statement they have given, only two variable statement they have given, so must be combined together. Let's combine. Yeah, Vakar, I know you are my old student. Welcome to the class, Vakar. Welcome to the class. Okay, let's combine. What they have given? D and S. Start with the first one. D and S. Now X and W hasn't come, then S will be, adjacent will be J. Next one, W and Y hasn't come, then X and D. So yes, D has come, so D adjacent will be X and face is towards X. Y and O, Y and will not come, J will have E. So J and E. Done. Now just see X. X has a relation with W. So X adjacent will be W and face should be towards W. Then W and Y. Y and face should be towards W. And then Y and O, face should be towards O. Statement has been combined. Done, done, done. Clear? Now let's see the conclusion. Let's see the conclusion. Oh, in the first two, I can see both the variables are same. Both the variables are same. So I should go for either or. First thing I should go for either or. Let's combine D and E. First says face is towards D and second says equal to. If this is correct from the above statement, my answer should be either or, either first or second. Let's check for D and E. D and E. Just see, all the faces are towards D. All the faces are towards D. Equal to must be there. So very obvious this is correct. So wrong. So it must have either one or two. They have formed either or. Let's take the third one, O and S. O and S. So O and S, what I can say, O and S. Just see, both the faces has come. Both the faces has come means no relation. No relation. Wrong. So answer should be either one or two. Either one or two. Clear? I am really very happy to see that most of you are responding in the class, and that's the way we should run the class. You should always respond in the class, because that will make the class more and more interesting. If you don't respond, I won't be able to understand whether you are able to understand the class or not. You are responding and your answer is correct means what? Yes, you are able to understand the class now. So thank you so much for this. Thank you so much for responding in the class. Okay, go for the next one. Okay, just see. First and second, what is common? D. Okay. Second and third, what is common? Nothing is common, but D is common everywhere. First and second, D is common. Second and third, D is common. Can I combine these two? No, sir, you can't combine because D comes in the middle. Can I combine these two? No, sir, you can't combine because D comes in the middle. Can I combine these two? No, sir, you can't combine because D comes in the middle in both of them. So I can't combine. So let's not combine. It's simple. If I'm not able to combine, then what's the point of thinking about it? Let's not combine. Let's start with conclusion number 1. G and A. G and A. Now G is over here, A is over here. What is common? Second and third, what is common? D. So write D, then A, and D, then G. Done, done, done. Both the faces has come, no relation. First is wrong. Here, because if you're going to combine this one, that will be a very, very hassle job in the exam. You can't combine here. If the common variables comes in the middle, then always combine, that is required. Do whatever that is required to check my conclusion. Clear? Second one, Z and R. Z and R. Z comes out to be in the first one, R comes out to be in the third one. So I will combine. So I will write Z to D and then D to R, because first and third common is what? Z. Always you should see the common variable, that's all. So I can write Z, then K, then D. Then D comes what? R. Face is towards R. Now let's check. All the faces are towards R. Faces is towards R. Equal to is there, equal to is not there, equal to won't be. Second is correct. Only second, yes, only second is the answer. Okay, let's go for this one, 57. Say in tomorrow's class, I will cover all the previous year questions here, because concept part is done from my side. So I will give 1 or 2 more classes just to explain the concept of what sort of questions they have asked in the previous year. So in tomorrow's class, I will go for previous year questions, authentic questions that has been asked in your previous year. Okay, let's go for this one. First and second, what is common? J is common. Can I combine? No, sir, you can't combine because J comes in the middle. Second and third, nothing is common means if they have asked any relation between these two, my answer will be can't be found. Last one, in these two, what is common? K and Z. Nothing is common. Okay, nothing is common. So whenever they will find any relation with K or relation of K or Z with any one of these, my answer should be no relation because nothing is common. Okay, just see in the first and second what I can see is J is common. Second and third, nothing is common. First and third, nothing is common means what? K and Z is not associated with any one of them. So if the examiner is going to ask relation between J and K and J, I say no relation. K and A, no relation. Z and S, no relation. Z and I, no relation because nothing is common. First one, H and Q. H is over here, Q is over here. What is common? J. Simply write J, H, and then Q. Face is towards J. So what I can say? Faces is towards H and equal to should not be there. First is correct. B and A. Just say B and A both has come over here. So I can say B and A will be faces. Faces should be towards B. Here they are towards A. Wrong. Only first. Now here in the same one, if they find what is the relation between Z and A, suppose they have given like this, third one, Z and A. So what I can say? I will say Z comes where in the third statement. Z comes where in the third statement. A comes where in the first statement. Is anything common between first and third? No, sir, nothing is common. Means what? No relation is possible. Third is wrong. Vakar, class starts at 6 o'clock, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, 6 o'clock, the class will start at 6 o'clock, 6 to 7, 1 hour class. Clear? Let's go with this one. Two statements they have given, R, S, T, U, X, T, V, and W. What is common? T is common. Can I combine? No, sir, you can't combine because T comes in the middle. T comes in the middle. Okay, so let's start. First one, R and X. See, R and X both has come in the first statement. There is no need to combine. There is no need to combine. So R and X, what I can say? Face must be towards R and equal to should not be there. First is correct. Second one, X and W. See, X is over here, W is over here. X is over here, W is over here. What is common? T is common. So write X to T. X to T. So X, then U, and then T. And then T to V. T adjacent will be what? V. Face is towards V. V adjacent will be what? W. Face is towards W. You are not supposed to see greater than smaller than. You are supposed to see the face. Let's start. X and W. What I can say? X and W. All the faces are towards W. All the faces are towards W and equal to is not there. Yes, faces toward W, equal to is not there. Correct. Clear? So in the last 3 classes, we have done more than 65 questions in the class. We have understood the concept and thereafter we have gone for more than 65 questions in the class. Clear? So the concept part has been done. In tomorrow's class, I will come with my previous year questions. On 30 questions that has been asked is your previous year banking examinations. With the hope that you all will come in tomorrow's class at 6 o'clock. I am winding this class right now. Clear? And that's all for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care. Love you all. Take care. Thank you so much.